Good day! In this video, I will show you on how to rename your existing Google Colab notebook. The best way to rename it is using your Google Drive interface. Go to your Google Drive and select the notebook that you want to rename. Just right-click your mouse and then click the rename here and give it a new name. Then click OK. Then it will be automatically renamed immediately. The second one is to click the notebook, wait for it to be opened, or if your notebook is already opened, to rename it, just click the file name at the leftmost part of the notebook here, then rename it whatever the name you want it to be renamed. Then click enter, and then as you can see, it will not be renamed immediately. So just refresh it until you see the renamed file. So that's why I recommend you to use the right click and the rename functionality. So let's just wait for the changes to be made. Just keep refreshing the browser. Yan. And there you go. That's the renamed file. Another one is to use the file and the rename functionality here. So it's the same. It will redirect you to the file name above. Again, as I have said, it will not be automatically immediately be renamed in your folder. So just wait for it to be renamed. It has a delay. Oh, that's it. So it was already renamed. Okay, so that's ways on how to rename your Google Colab notebooks. Thank you for listening.